What's going on, guys? It's Jayson reviewing Wolf Snot sauce by Shaun in the pack. He sent me a couple of them, including Sweet Wolfie Bell. So one looks like a possible tomatillo or don't know, some kind of verde. And the other looks like a tomato.
See, you have a technical term. You say verde. I say taco sauce.
It smells really good. Kind of sweet. Oh,
I told you.
good looking color. It smells really good. Habanero?
That's what I was questioning.
It kind of tastes like habanero. A little bit more. That's kind of good.
Just look at that consistency.
Not too much vinegar. You can kind of taste it, but there's a lot more.
It's not overwhelming.
A lot more sauces that are more vinegar forward.
I want Taco Bell now.
It's pretty good. I like more fruity sauces, personally. This is definitely more pepper forward. A little bit more. It is pretty good.
You still have another one.
I know.
Don't use it all before I get Taco Bell. Oh, look at it.
It is tasty, though. Not hot at all. Like, barely. I taste the pepper more than feel the pepper.
That's because you have high tolerance.
Not really.
It's higher than mine.
But you can see it's good consistency.
And we watched
Like,
it
it's got a little bit of chunk, but it's not like, clearly I didn't have to pound it out.
Like that one that has the butt every time you open it.
Yeah. So this is the Sweet Wolfie
Bell.
Definitely a tomato base.
That's so cute.
Oh,
yeah.
Same thing.
I told you. He never listens to me.
That's a little more acidic.
Yes.
Didn't really get a lot of chunks on that one.
There's not a lot of chunks. My texture issues are happy.
I don't taste any peppers.
I didn't either.
But this kind of reminds me of Colton's
tomato basil.
Yeah, the ghostly tomato basil. Without the
kick.
Without the ghost. I could probably just drink this. It reminds me a lot of V8 tomato juice. Honestly, like consistency and all.
You can go ahead and make a Bloody Mary with that.
Right. It's good. There's not a lot of flavor to me.
Besides, like tomato.
A little rough on your Shaun. I would definitely add something else to this. Some kind of seasoning. Even like black pepper.
Oh, that'll make it spicy.
Yeah, that'll kick it right up. It's missing something, but the base of this is it's good. but it does need a little something. I know it's all bell peppers, like red peppers and what say you?
Now I kind of want spaghetti.
Taco Bell or spaghetti? Like,
right, like tell me in the comments, should we get Taco Bell or spaghetti?
It's good, but it's missing like something.
I'm not a foodie. I don't know. I can eat the foods, but I don't know how to do the foods.
I like it though. I like this one a little bit more.
That one is really good.
I want to have a little bit more before we end this.
I swear, if you drink all of the sauce...
It's not Sticky Stinger. I'm not just going to drink the whole bottle.
I don't know. You have put a major dent in it.
Yeah. This one's good.
Yeah.
I like this one a lot. That would be good. Like, even just in ramen.
I don't want ramen, though.
I know. I'm just saying in general.
It might be, yeah.
Like, just pour this over top of ramen, a little bit of, like, Parmesan cheese. Should be pretty good.
Boiled egg.
So, Shaun, you got something. You got something. You got some good sauces already. I'm excited to see what new ones you got coming. I know you told me about a blueberry. There's a blueberry and orange one. That is more my style. I like the fruit-based.
You're fruity.
I like fruit. Well, I like anything almost. But
Valid.
I recommend some of these. Definitely this one. If you guys are looking for a mild,
The Snot.
very mild sauce, it is tasty. It's a good Verde. I still would say Sticky Stinger is my #1 Verde sauce.
I kind of like this one just because Sticky Stinger hurts me.
Right. We got the jerky we got to try.
Is it gonna hurt me?
No, it's just Sticky Stinger.
That hurts me.
Yeah. But thanks for watching, guys. Tune in for more coming. We got some good videos we're going to record very soon. We're sorry about all of the delays. Life sometimes.
My child. My child is
Everything
extra.
is getting in the way. But we have a lot of good stuff coming for you guys. Till next time.